Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very special video for you because we are going to be introducing you guys to the newest member of our family, and you'll be seeing her in just a few seconds. We just picked up little Cannoli. There she is.
Some people just don't want me on YouTube.
There you are. You're on.
Hi!
Y'all, it's
Look how short this girl is.
Am I really?
Yeah.
Oh, let me stand back up. Let me see.
5'6".
I guess so. Whatever. Whatever, Shannon. We met Shannon today, y'all. Just saying. We met Shannon. Bye. Better get used to that camera in your face, little girl. It's gonna be...
You're gonna be a star. YouTube star.
You're gonna be the new YouTube star. So this is Kiki and Cookie meeting Cannoli for the first time. We had literally just got home and I just wrapped her up in a little towel just so I could hold on to her, just so I could see how the other two cats would react. So as you can see, Cookie was like totally interested in her, but Kiki was complete opposite, which is really funny because when we first brought Cookie home, Kiki absolutely loved her. She was about the same size, she was just a baby, and Kiki instantly bonded with her. But with Cannoli, Kiki was like, no thank you. So yeah, Cookie totally got along with Cannoli, but Kiki was not happy about it. She kept hissing. She did not want Cannoli near her. She didn't even want me near her, and she even would like randomly cry, and it was kind of heartbreaking. But I figured if I just gave it a few days that everything would be okay and she would get used to Cannoli, and that's what ended up happening, which you'll see later in the video. Y'all, Kiki is mad. She's so mad. Cookie's doing pretty good though, I think. Seems like it. Kiki lurking. She still ain't happy about this. Kiki. Kiki. Oh, Kiki. Oh, Kiki. You see your toe beans.
They're exposed.
We know where your toe beans live.
I know where they live.
We know where your toe beans live now. You've been exposed. So this was about the 4th day that Cannoli had been here, and Kiki finally started warming up to her just a little bit. She's not 100% a fan of her just yet, but she's now letting her come near her without like hissing at her and getting mad. So we're making pretty good progress, I think. So I just want to say thanks so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it and look forward to seeing more of Cannoli and my future videos. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and leave me some comments down below because I would love to hear from you guys. I can't wait to hear what you think about our new kitten.